We're doing a live unboxing of the Corgoat patty at Devano's.
It's not a patty.
No, not patty.
Burger.
The burger. Um, there's pickles in this too. Ready?
No tomatoes though.
No tomatoes. I'm gonna try the barbecue pork patty as well. Let me try this. Alright, see here. Wanna see? Alright. This is pretty good.
Come. There's a person at your front door.
Huh? A package?
I don't know. Go ahead.
Ready? It's too hot. Yeah, let's get her the ice cream.